Hello again, AVID juniors. Welcome back for week 11. We are coming back from spring break, so hopefully you had a restful couple weeks off where you were able to take some time and refresh yourself. And if you remember our 7 habits of highly effective teens, these would be the times where you sharpen the saw, make yourself a little bit more focused by relaxing. And so when you do work, you are ready to rock and roll and work really hard. So hopefully you're in that kind of mindset coming back from spring break. Couple things on the grades front. I went through and graded all the Cornell notes and all the makeup work that I had for the group. There's only one assignment I still need to grade, and that is the draft of your UC response questions. I plan to get that done here on Monday and Tuesday and to get that to you Tuesday night. And then on Wednesday this week, when we meet as the group, we'll talk about those UC responses and you can see the feedback that you have so that you're all okay with that. Okay. We're going to do a new draft of that. Well, I'll talk about that in a second. The draft is not due this week. It's going to be due at the end of next week. So I'm giving it to you this week, but the revisions that you need to do to make it even better than you did the first time are due at the end of next week. So you got a little time on that. All right, let's take a look at what else you have going on for week 11. So here in the online notebook, you can see our topic is UC questions revised. And it looks like a long list of stuff, but nothing that should really be too shocking to you. We're just kind of getting reset again for this nice final fourth quarter of the school year. So a couple things that we're going to do. First, you need to set up your C&QS pages in the online notebook. So again, come over here to your name. I'll use Brian as my example. Okay, you click on class notes. Okay, you already set up week 3, 4. We combined 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What I need you to do is now make semester 2 for week 11. That is this week. Okay. I need you to make semester 2 for week 12. I need you to make semester 2 for week 13. Semester 2 for week 14. Semester 2 for week 15. Don't have many holidays coming. That's why you'll see it like this. Semester 2 for week 16. And let me double check to see what our last one is. I have these listed for you right here. So we're going to go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 is the last one. Okay, we won't do any notes those last 2 weeks of school. So I come over here, I put in semester 2, week 17. All right, if you want to add the dates, that works for me. I give you those dates as well. Like for instance, week 11, that's this week, would be 4/5 to 4/9. You can add those in as well. And then to get the boxes, don't forget, where do you go? You go to class information. You go to blank templates right here. So you can blank templates. And then you should have all the blank templates right here. Highlight them like so. Copy, go back to your pages. And here's the beauty of why you set them all up in the beginning, because you go to week 11, paste, boom. Week 12, paste. Week 13, paste. Week 14, paste. Week 15, paste. Week 16, paste. Week 17, paste. Boom, and they're set up. Okay, so you're setting them up for weeks 11 through 17. So that's the first thing you need to do. You will be doing Cornell notes this week. So obviously you got to go through your classes this week before you can figure out what kind of questions and summaries you can create. So that will probably get done more towards the end of the week. So first you want to set them up. Again, those are all the weeks right there. And then you want to set up your grade log. Okay, so third quarter, last quarter, we did a grade log every week. Remember, we write down our letter grades, write down our percentages, calculate our GPA, and then write any kind of notes. We're going to do that again. I will put the Word document in here as well. It looks like I have forgotten to do that. I will put the Word document here so you can use the Word document, the PDF document if you want to print it out, and I'll put a picture in as well. So I'll get those to you. But and you need to actually fill in week 1. So we're going to start fresh. You guys know how to do this now. Week 1, fill it out, the whole row for week 1. Okay. So set up your CNQS, set up your grade log, do week 1 on your grade log. Then you need to do your corner notes, questions, and summary this week. Nothing new there. That's typical AVID. And then the other thing is the UC response questions. Like I said, I'm going to get those back to you on Tuesday night. They are not due this Monday. They're due the following Monday. So you got about 2 weeks to get those done. So you'll see my comments, you'll see my feedback, and you'll be able to make the adjustments that you need to make these just right. And again, our whole goal with these is that come next fall, when you're filling out your college applications, especially for the UC schools, you fill them out and you have it already written what you're going to say and which questions you're going to answer. It makes life so much simpler. Does my tactics work? Does my advice work? Well, we just got announcements over the weekend or over spring break. At least 2 students got accepted in UCSD, 2 of the seniors, and then a couple of more students got accepted in UC Riverside, a couple of students into I think UC Merced, and I want to say Irvine. I'm not sure, maybe Santa Barbara. But anyway, we have students from our AVID program getting accepted into the UC schools. So the advice I'm giving you does work. I'm not just talking. I actually have something to back me up now. So trust me on this when I give you that advice and that feedback. Okay. So that will be the 3 things for the week: is set up your new grade log and complete it for week 1, set up your questions and summary pages, and then complete it for week 11. And again, the UC questions will be the following week. All right. So with that, make sure you come Monday, check in, put something in the chat to get credit, and then I will see you all on Wednesday and we'll have a conversation about those UC questions and anything else that you might have questions about. Okay. All right. Have a good one.